In today's webinar, we are going to discuss about career options other than MBBS, BTech and BE after completing PUC Science. Now, let's start with PCMB career options other than MBBS. Now, currently students studying or who studied 10th and will take PCMB think MBBS is only the career option. But now we will discuss other career options for PCMB. Many students have taken PCMB and did not want to pursue MBBS have asked me, is there any career option other than MBBS for PCMB? Being medical student, can we choose any other career option? So today's theme will be career options other than MBBS. Considering you are not able to take MBBS due to any particular reason, it could be possible that your rank in NEET is small or your financial condition is bad. So now I will tell you all equal preferable courses other than MBBS. So today's webinar will be very important for medical students. You need to score minimum 60% so as to get a little advantage in getting admissions to different colleges. All the courses I am discussing now are the 3-year to 5-year duration courses. We are not going to discuss about diploma or certificate courses. We are only going to discuss about degree, just like how MBBS is a degree. The most recognized courses in our country are of degree, then diploma, then certificate. Number 1, BDS. This is related to dental surgery. Being a dentist will give you equal name and fame like a doctor. Its duration is around 3 to 5 years. For this, NEET is compulsory. BHMS. Even in homeopathic surgery and medicine, you can make your career. This comes under Ministry of Ayush. For this, NEET is compulsory. Number 3 is BAMS in Ayurvedic medicine and surgery. Number 4 is BUMS, Unani medicine and surgery. Number 5 is BNYS, naturopathy and yogic sciences. You need to give NEET for all these courses, and based on that score you will get a seat. These courses cost fees are very less compared to MBBS. First 5 courses you might have understood clearly, as these may not be so new to you. Now I will tell you about some new courses. BOT. It is occupational therapy. It is bachelor course. Its duration is 3 to 5 years. BPT. It is a physiotherapy. It is going to be the most demanded in coming years. Any player in cricket team or other athletics, they must have physiotherapist with them to fix any injuries during the game. Even for us, our movement is restricted as we are sitting in the same place for long hours. So the demand for the physiotherapist is increasing day by day. Its course duration is 3 to 5 years. Next one is BVSC. It is veterinary sciences, that is animal doctor. If you want to become an animal doctor, even if you don't want to do MBBS, then you can choose BVSC. Its duration is 5 years and its fees is also very reasonable. B Pharma, bachelor's in pharmacy. There is a diploma in pharmacy as well as bachelor's, but bachelor's is given more value. BTech in biomedical engineering. It is especially for biology students. BA in psychology. Doing this, you can become a psychologist. They treat people suffering from mental disorders such as people suffering from depression. This degree is very useful to counselors like me to notify the behavior of others. BSc, Bachelor's in Science. It takes nearly 5 years. It is the cheapest compared to above. Through BSc, even if you don't want to become a doctor, you can be joined to the medical stream. BSc Nursing, BSc Psychology, BSc Nutrition. The profession through this is a dietitian. In hospitals, when a patient is admitted in the hospital, his diet and food supply is monitored through him. And many actors and actresses have their own dietitian to maintain their physique. Thus, you can earn a lot as dietitian and nutritionist. BSc in Critical Care Technology. It is related to ICU in hospitals. BSc Audiology and Speech Therapy, BSc Ophthalmic Technology, BSc Radiology, BSc Nuclear Medicine, BSc Medical Lab Technology, BSc in Operation Theatre Technology, BSc in Respiratory Therapy, BSc in Allied Health and Services, BSc in Diagnosis, BSc in Biology, and it has other specializations from which you can choose. There are other 50 plus courses from which PCM students can choose from that doesn't want to do MBBS. If you are interested in any of the courses from here, then search about them in Google and find out top 10 colleges in our state or in our country if you can afford to stay in other states. You need to research about how your preferred college would require your score to be. You need to work hard for it. Many students say that they are unable to convince their parents that they can choose their own career. It is because you have not done complete research on what you want to do and where you need to go for further studies and how much would it cost and exams do you need to clear and what courses do you need to take to perfect in that examination. Such things must be done yourself so that your parents know you are not uncertain about your career path. Then they would definitely agree to your career option. Now we will see the career options for PCMC students. I will be discussing about topmost career options in India for PCMC students. BTech or BE. This is opted by 90% plus students who have taken PCMC course. It is an 4-year undergraduate UG program. If you want to join the topmost college for this course, you need to clear an exam called IIT JEE. JEE has 2 levels. One is mains, other is advanced. Now let us look into various branches under the course. Computer science, it is one of the most preferred specialization. There is also mechanical, electrical, electronics and telecommunications, civil, information technology. Number 2 is BArch. It is about architecture. You need to be good at sketches and drawing. It is a 5 years course through IIT JEE. You can get into topmost colleges of BArch or through merit based 12th marks you can join in topmost colleges of BArch. Number 3 is Merchant Navy. You have seen ships which sail around the globe and these ships need to be maintained and managed and they have many such works. It is a well reputed job. For this you can do a diploma course for 1 year and join Indian Merchant Navy directly, or else you can do BSc in Nautical Technology. It is 3 years course, or else BTech Naval Architecture and Shipbuilding. Commercial pilot. Children who want to become a commercial pilot after their 12th PCMCS can get trained from any aviation center in India, or you can do BSc in Aviation Science. Number 5 is BSc. Number 5, BSc, the topmost specialization under this are physics, chemistry, maths, agriculture, statistics, forensic. This comparatively easy and the fees is also less and its level is also less compared to BE or BTech. BSc is a 3 years course while BTech is a 4 years course. NDA or National Defense Academy. If you are interested in joining Army, Military, Navy, Air Force, you need to clear NDA exam, which you need to give after your 12th. After qualifying this exam, National Defense Academy will give you an option to do BA, BSc, BTech, as even commerce students can write this exam. NDA has given an option of BA. National Defense Academy will charge you for your degree, but you will be able to get a good post in your specialization. It could Army, Navy or Air Force. Number 7 is SCRA or Special Class Railway Apprentice. It conducts an exam UPSC After qualifying in UPSC, they will give you 4-year training in mechanical engineering and you get appointed just to one post after the 4-year training. Number 8. Business Commerce Management. This is for students who want switch courses after their 12th as they find science hard. Children who opted science in their 11th and 12th can switch to any stream unlike commerce or arts students. To make your degree in this field, you can do various degrees such as BBA, Bachelor in Business Administration, BMS, Bachelor in Management Study, BCom, CA, CS, CFA. CA, CS, CFA are not degree, they are professional courses. Number 9. Arts profession. If you want to switch to arts, you can do a degree BA Bachelor in Art. The popular specialization of this degree are psychology, sociology, fine arts like dancing or singing, languages like French, Kannada. Number 10. Other courses. BPEd, Bachelor in Physical Education. If you want to make career in sports and if you want to become a coach or player, you can do this 3 years course. BJMS, it is a degree about journalism and mass communication. If you are interested in anchoring, TV anchor, news reporter, film production, then you can choose this line. BHM, Bachelor in Hotel Management. If you are interested in hotel management, you can do this degree. BCA, if you are interested in computer line, then you can choose this option. You can learn coding and make your career in computer line. LLB, if you are interested to become a lawyer, you can do this degree. Polytechnic, it is a diploma course. You can become an electrician, plumber and various other jobs. As some of you do this course after 12th, you get a job very quickly. Event management, it is both certificate and diploma course. They teach you how to organize big parties or functions. Animation, if you are interested in drawing, good at art and good at coding, then you can do a diploma or degree in animation. Fitness, you can be a nutritionist, dietitian in this field. Computer, there are many courses in line such as diploma in digital marketing. Now we have seen that there are so many courses in PCMC and you just need clarity on what to do and dedication to do that course. Now let us know the difference between normal PUC college and integrated PU college. In normal PU college, they will teach only PUC syllabus and teach only the question and answers in the PUC textbooks. In these colleges, the fees will be around 50,000 to 30,000. Now I will tell you about integrated PU college. In these colleges, they will teach PU syllabus along with JEE or PUC along with NEET or PUC along with CET. In and around Davangere, integrated colleges are charging 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh fees per year. Now I will tell about the difference between PU lecturers and competitive lecturers. PU lecturers will have 3 to 5 years of experience. Their salary also will be from 20,000 to 30,000 and competitive lecturers will be 15 to 20 years of experience. These lecturers can teach JEE or NEET along with PUC. If your children join in normal PU college, they have to go to a coaching center for NEET or JEE coaching. In college, they will be teaching one chapter and in coaching center, they will be teaching some other chapter. Students will be confused to follow either coaching center or PU college. If your children are joining in integrated college at the same place parallelly, they will teach PUC along with JEE or NEET coaching, which is also called as parallel coaching. So it is better to join your children in integrated college. Now I will explain about difference between JEE, NEET and CET. In CET, 45% theory based questions will be there and 55% numerical based questions will be there. In JEE, 25% application based questions and 75% numerical based questions will be there. In NEET, 75% theory based questions and 25% numerical based questions will be there. So NEET is completely based on NCERT textbook. Students preparing for NEET will not get JEE rank, and whoever is preparing for JEE will not get NEET rank. CET, JEE and NEET have their own way of preparations. So separate coaching should be given for students who are preparing for CET, separate coaching should be given for students preparing for JEE, and separate coaching should be given for students preparing for NEET. In our college, we have separate sections for JEE and separate sections for NEET. In our college, we have excellent hostel facility and separate hostels for boys and girls. Doctor is available in campus around the clock. Excellent lab facilities are also available. College timings are 9 am to 5 pm. Study hour timings for hostel students are morning 6 am to 8 am, evening 6 pm to 8 pm, night 8:30 pm to 10:30 pm. Coaching lectures are also available in the study hours. As CBSE exams are cancelled, we will be conducting exams in maths and science for all students, and as per the marks obtained in the scholarship test, concession will be given to the students. If student gets above 90% in the scholarship test, 50% scholarship will be given, and if student scores more than 95%, free seat will be given to the students. In district level sports, our students bagged first and second prizes in football, shuttle, throwball and athletics. Now you might have a question like, why should I think about admissions from now, and why admissions will be started in the top colleges? In integrated colleges, limited seats will be available as per the PU board. Even in our college, we also have permission for 3 sections: JEE section, NEET section and rank guarantee batch. Only students who get 90% will be taken into rank guarantee batch. Now I completed my presentation. Now I request parents to ask any doubts or questions, or type in the chat box your questions. I will be answering one by one. Who want to talk to me, just raise your hand and then we will unmute you and then you can talk to me.